Hi everyone, Matthew here at the Opposite Fiber Store in Kenwood, unboxing two new items that we just got in that are perfect for anyone's home, cleanliness and safety. So we've got the Ring 5-piece alarm system here, and the cannot compute iRobot will clean your house for free. iRoomba 3+. So let's go ahead and dig in. You can see this one is a big, very large box. A lot to unpackage here. Don't even know where to start. So we've got the actual unit. Looks pretty slick. Got your filter that goes inside. Just like any vacuum, your power supply for the docking station, and an extra bag for dirt collection. This is definitely not small. Powered by Wi-Fi. It'll dock itself, charge itself, cleans itself. Some cool things, you download the Roomba app in the App Store. You can control it. You can set it to clean when you want. Pretty cool tip. It'll actually show you where it cleaned with a map of your house. And also, it'll show you how strong your Wi-Fi signal is across the house. So definitely something that we used to carry, back by popular demand. Roomba now back at your Ulta Fiber store. It's like having a cleaning person come for free. So this one right here is $549 is the retail price. You can get it for $22.88 over 24 months on your Cincinnati Bell bill. Just sits there, like I said, charges. You use it when you want to. Now we'll get into the Ring alarm. It's a DIY kit. You don't have to have someone come out and install anything or drill any holes. You can literally put this in yourself. So inside you got your directions. You've got your siren right here in case anyone comes in. You got your keypad that you can wall mount or put it down anywhere you want. You've got 3 contact sensors that can go on any window or door. You've got a range extender, just in case you don't have Wi-Fi all over, which you should if you have Ulta Fiber, because you can get our premier internet service and make sure your whole house is covered, just saying. Motion detection, so you can put up in any type of area. Keypad adapter. We've got your power supply here. And one more contact sensor. So as you can see, you get a lot with this one. Again, it is your 8-piece Ring. This one is pretty inexpensive. It's only $249.99. You can get it for $10.42 on your bill over 24 months. Definitely something everyone is probably looking for, is feel safe in their own home and be clean in your own home. So again, come see us at our Ulta Fiber store and come check out these new products we just got.